Hello and welcome back to another episode of Sticki Rolluxe Saturdays. Today I am going to be opening up a whole box of the Jumbo Sticki Rolls in attempt to try and find 3 Jumbo Stickies that have been on my wish list for a long time. Those 3 Stickies are this glorious mermaid with beautiful purple hair, this adorable sticker with one of my favorite characters, one of the Boo Boo ghosts holding an umbrella, and the last one is this stunning purple room, absolute bedroom goals. I've been visiting lots of big W's and lots of Targets trying to find these 3 stickies, and the people at Banter Toys saw my quest and they very kindly reached out and sent me this whole box of Jumbo Stickies so I can hopefully get at least one of those stickies today. Now, while I have been looking for those 3 designs, there are actually a bunch of other Jumbo Sticki Rolls that I also haven't come across and I also want for my collection. Like, take a look at this snazzy alpaca in a bow tie, this pile of frogs. Look at Cora and BB in a spring park. I've got so many different adorable cat stickies. Now, there is one other possibility though. I could get doubles. However, I was thinking about it and I had an idea. I'll share that idea with you if I get any doubles today. And it's a really cool idea. So in a way, I'm kind of hoping to get doubles. Whatever happens today is going to be an awesome Sticki Rolluxe Saturday. Let's see what the first Jumbo Sticki is. Okay, we've got pink on the end. This is what it's looking like so far. Any guesses? I'm seeing a very cute looking eye. No way! It's one of the cute stickies I was just talking about! What a brilliant way to start off today's video with the stack of frogs. Frogs are my favorite animal, and in particular, purple frogs are one of my favorite things in the world. Look at that gorgeous purple frog. To be honest, he doesn't look too excited. He looks a little bit disgruntled. Purple frog may not be happy, but I sure am. Purple frog, can you believe it? You've got your own Sticki Roll now. I definitely want to put that one up on the wall. I'm thinking I might put it there. I was thinking I want to put stickies covering this whole wall, the background of my videos. What do you think? You think that would look cool? Alright, time for the second Jumbo Sticki Roll. Will it be as exciting as the first? Will it be more exciting? Okay, this one has some blue. I'm seeing some light blue details. Maybe a sticky in the sky. Oh wait, no! It goes this way. That is a tree covered in snow. Some kind of Arctic sticker, and it's our friend Chillin' Charlie. Oh, that is so exciting! I don't have any Jumbo Stickies of Chillin' Charlie, and it would be really awesome if I could collect Jumbo Stickies of all the main Sticki Rolls characters. I do already have one of the Boo Boos. I also already have Rex and Jojo covered. When I was making a YouTube short, I opened Stardust and Bun Bun. How cool would it be if I could also get Happy Axie and Cora and BB, and then have all 6 of the main Sticki Rolls characters on Jumbo Stickies? I've got a lot of stickies here, so it is possible. Time for Jumbo Sticki number 3. We've got some blue on the end. It looks actually pretty similar to the Chillin' Charlie one. Okay, that's not Chillin' Charlie. What have we got? We've got a really cool holographic pattern, which makes me realize, oh, Chillin' Charlie also has the exact same holographic pattern. What is the third Jumbo Sticki? It is, oh, that's a cute little guy. I think it's a cat dressed up as a cow. It is called, oh yes, it's from the roll Cats or Cows. I love how happy it looks and its little blushy cheeks. Also the cowbell it has around its neck, extra adorable. Time to see what Sticki Roll number 4 is. Please be beautiful and purple, or just beautiful, that's fine too. Okay, a little sneak peek. We've got some blue. This is the 3rd sticky with that beautiful circle holographic pattern, which is actually the ultra rare pattern. However, I've already gotten 3 ultra rare stickies. I'm having good luck today. Okay, the design is Oh, wait a second. I'm pretty sure I actually already have this sticky, so maybe not quite as lucky as I thought, but I am lucky in that it's a super cute one. It's actually from one of my favorite Sticki Roll sets in series 1. And the last time I made a long jumbo Sticki Rolls video on YouTube, this was one of my most wanted stickies. So it's kind of cool to have a double of it. One, because it's cute, and two, because I get to tell you about my idea. So my idea for any double jumbo stickies that I open is to bedazzle them. And what I mean by that is grabbing a bunch of those 3D craft gems and covering different parts of the stickies in gems. I'll put that to the side in a special bedazzling pile. And of course I will be sharing the results here on YouTube, so stay tuned for that. Time to open up my 5th jumbo Sticki Roll. And let's see if this is going to be another double for the bedazzling pile, or if it's something brand new. Okay, so color is, oh, we've got some purple on the top there. Looking promising. There's also a lot of orange and pink. Okay, we can see a heart there. I have no idea what this is. Oh, I'm kind of nervous. Okay, we can see a little bit of brown there. I don't think this is from the wish list. Okay, we can see a closed eye. Maybe someone's sleeping. Oh, okay. This isn't a sticky that was on my wish list, but it is quite a funny one. It says, "You make me flush." We've got some toilet humor there. And this one has a holographic pattern that we haven't seen today. It's these crisscross lines, which is actually the pattern for the common sticky. It's weird that it's taken this long to get the common sticky, but there you go. Now, you know another sticky that I really want, that I just realized has a jumbo sticky, is the McNarwhals. That was another one of my favorite series 1 stickies. I would love to see that as a jumbo sticky. Or, you know, Happy Axie, Cora, and BB. One of my top 3 purple stickies could be great. Okay, this definitely isn't purple. I'm gonna guess by those colors cat. It looks like it says pet. Have I opened this sticky before? No, I don't think so. Oh, I've opened that one. So it's similar in that it's got a giant cat and a speech bubble, but this giant cat has a little flower on its ear, which is super, super cute. This also has the common pattern. About time we're getting a few commons. And another new one for today. Jumbo sticky number 7. It's got pink on it. And it looks like some fries, maybe? Roll it out and reveal the design. Yes! Oh, we have a super cute little dog inside the fries. I love that it has a paw print on the chip packet as well. And this is the 3rd common sticker in a row. Time for Jumbo Sticki Roll number 8. Hopefully this will be one of the ones I've mentioned today. Oh no, this is one of the ones I mentioned today, but I mentioned that I already have it. This is the beautiful Rex and JoJo sticky. One I have opened before, but it's such a cute one. We've got Rex and JoJo enjoying a drink together with a big heart in the background. This will actually be a really fun one to bedazzle as well. I'll put that to the side with the mushroom sticky. Oh, wait, 1 second before I do that, let's take a little look at the beautiful holographic. It has stars on it. So that means it is a super rare sticky. I've just realized there are actually 3 different Rex and JoJo jumbo stickies, and I happen to get the one I already have. That's okay. I've opened up a lot of new ones. Hopefully this will be a new one too. Maybe this will be one of the other Rex and JoJo ones, or maybe a purple one. Okay, that does not look purple. Interesting. Oh, I think it's Little Biggie. He's not a character I mentioned before, but I am so excited that we got a sticky of him. Look how cute he is. He's such a cute guy. He's in Sticki Rolls Series 1 and Sticki Rolls Series 2, and he has some beautiful pink trees behind him. He is a common sticky, so he's got that pattern. I do love the character Little Biggie. So excellent to get a sticker of him as well. A jumbo sticky, I mean. We have some small stickies. Speaking of which, you know what I need to do is check my Series 1 Sticki Rolls to see if I have this sticky, which I can add as a companion sticky on there. I've lost track of what number sticky we're up to. What is this? Okay, it has a light background. Oh, this has cherry blossom trees as well. Wait a second, is it Cora and BB? Yes, cherry blossoms. I love that Cora is holding a flower and then BB is flying around in the cherry blossom petals. I guess we're having a real cherry blossom moment with little Biggie in the cherry blossoms and now Cora and BB in the cherry blossoms. We're doing well for our characters. Not so well for the 3 purple stickies I'm really hoping for. It's okay though, we've still got a lot of stickies in here left to open. Will this one reveal a beautiful purple sticky for us? Okay, there's some light pink. That could be purple adjacent. Okay, that eye doesn't look purple adjacent. This maybe looks like one from the creepiest set. Ooh! It's not one I've talked about today, but I've got to say, I really, really love this art style that so many of the creepies have. This sticky in particular features 3 girls as sushi and another new jumbo sticky for my collection. Okay, I think we're up to maybe sticky number 10. We're about halfway through, so there's still a good chance for our purple stickies. This one is purple. Oh my goodness. Could it be? Oh no, I just saw the companion sticky. That's not one of the ones from the wish list, and it's actually another one that I do already have. I mean, it's understandable. I've opened a lot of jumbo stickies, and hey, if it's gonna be a double, at least it's a double of another roll that I really, really love. Game Boy's floating in space. Another sticky that is gonna look really awesome when I bedazzle it. I really would like some more to bedazzle, but I also would like more new stickies. Maybe that purple one was the warm-up. Oh, I've got some pink. Pink backgrounds sometimes mean purple characters. Lots of pink on the background. Oh, there's some beautiful purple. Okay, what is this? I cannot tell. Time for the big reveal. Oh my goodness! It's another Rex and JoJo sticky. And they're watching a beautiful sunset. I guess they heard me complaining that I got a Rex and JoJo double and they said, don't worry, we are here to save the day. A new Rex and JoJo jumbo sticky. And the water they're sitting by does look very purple, so extra points for that. What will our next jumbo sticky be? Oh, I've got some purple backgrounds looking promising. This looks a lot like the background of the Boo Boos. Could it be my rainy Boo Boo? No! No, it's actually a double of the Boo Boo that I already have. We got so close. It's okay though, I'm gonna take it as a good sign because remember just before when we got a Rex and JoJo sticker that I already have and then we got a brand new one? Well, now we have a Boo Boo sticker that I already have and hopefully there's still a new Boo Boo in the box there. Let's see if this sticky here is my glorious rainy Boo Boo. Okay, no. Already we can see, no, straight away. That's a pink background. You can see some maybe blonde hair here. Okay, this is another piece of art from that artist I was talking about earlier. She does all the creepies art and we've got one of the Sister Shreddy stickies here. She is just so awesome playing her guitar and hey, she's in a purple outfit so I approve. She's got the most beautiful eyelashes, a big black bow in her hair, and the background on hers is really cool. We haven't had a look at this holographic pattern today. It is the holographic pattern of uncommon stickies. Now it's also very exciting that I got this particular Sister Shredders sticker because I actually already have another Sister Shredders sticker and these two are gonna look so awesome stuck next to each other on my wall. It looks like I have a total of 5 sticky rolls left. I've opened up 10 brand new stickies, 5 doubles, and so far I haven't opened up any of the top 3 on my wish list. Fingers crossed just one of them's in here, and they're not all doubles. I mean, if they are, I guess I'll just have a really good time bedazzling, hey! Please be purple, please be purple. It is pink. I'm seeing some brown, I'm seeing some blue. I'm not sure who this would be. Oh, okay, I'm just in the companion sticky. And it's another double. Can you believe it? It's a really cute double though. It is Honey Bear Don't Care. A super cute bear lying back in a blue beanbag enjoying some honey. Another very cute sticky to add to my bedazzling pile. 4 jumbo stickies left today. I'm getting nervous that I'm not going to get any of my purple stickies. This is another blue looking one. We've got some blue stars. A big sun on here. And which sticky is this? I actually have no idea what it's gonna be. Oh, it's a very cute bunny who is enjoying the sunshine. You know, this would be a perfect sticker for one of those summer pages in the sticky book. Sally Seasons enjoying the summer season. And I've just realized she's having a drink from a coconut. That's so cute. He also has the starry pattern. Fabulous to get another new Sticki. Third last roll and 3 stickies that I really want to go. Okay. We're looking here. It looks like the pattern on the Boo Boo again. If I get a third double of that Boo Boo. Wait, no way! That's an umbrella. That's an umbrella, right? Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness. I can't even speak. If you haven't figured it out already, we did it. We got the ring. Oh my goodness. She is even cuter than I thought. I mean, I've seen the Sticki before in the small version, but nothing can capture how glorious she is in jumbo Sticki size. Look at that Boo Boo. Look at that Boo Boo with a cute little bow and a cute little blushy cheeks and a purple umbrella just floating along in the rain. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. I really didn't think I was gonna get any. We had 3 left, and we finally got one of my big 3 stickies. What a joyous moment. I want to give the Sticki a hug, but I don't want to bend it. That's gonna go in a prized position somewhere. But we do still have 2 stickies left. Hey, I could even still get one of the other stickies I was really hoping for. Okay, it's got slight blue in the background. Made Mercila Ocean, maybe? Okay, that doesn't look like Made Mercila, so I can't tell what it would be. It looks like a very mysterious blue blob. Oh, it's actually the other ghost! It's the other ghost that isn't part of the Boo Boo series. I guess I was just hoping so much for ghost stickies that I not only got the Boo Boo I was after, but I got a double of the Rainy Boo and this glorious looking Boo. She has a very, very cute pink bow on her back. She has a little halo and she'd like to inform you that she is in fact dead. We don't mind that you're dead. Oh wait, I just realized that pink thing, that's not a bow, that's wings. Oh, she has cute little wings. Well, that is quite an exciting sticky to have. Which means we have made it to the very last sticky of the day. Double power chords, Made Mercila, Happy Axie, the Narwhals. There are still lots of cute ones to open up. Let's see what this is. Cap off, and we've got dark blue and yellow. Not one of the ones that I was thinking of. I can't tell what this one would be. Oh wait. This is actually really fitting because I've said this phrase so many times in the video. It's not surprising that it decided to jump out of the Sticki Rolls box as well. OMG. I think it's the thing I say the most often. I think it's my most used phrase. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! It's kind of fitting that that would be the last Sticki of the video. This has been a very OMG video. We got so many great new stickies. We got a bunch of doubles, but cute doubles and exciting doubles to get started with my Sticki Bedazzling project. The OMG sticker is actually part of the Sticki Bedazzling project because last time I did a Sticki Rolls video, it popped out too. I think it's just the fact that I say OMG so much, these stickers are just very attracted to me. This one I need to stick on my wall. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing all the different jumbo designs today. Huge thank you to the people at Banter Toys for sending me so many jumbo stickies to unbox with you today. You can look forward to seeing me bedazzling all those doubles of stickies very soon. I will see you then. Bye!